Something I love about hiking is the unexpected along the way. On today's hike to Carr Peak with the Tuesday hikers, there were undercover Border Patrol agents, an unending spectacular flower bloom, vultures and hawks soaring in the wind.
Wow. Can you believe this?
A swarm of killer bees blocking the trail on the way back.
Scary deal right up ahead.
And, for me, a mission to rescue my sunglasses that I left 10 days ago on a peak near Carr Peak. When I was up here last time, I was sitting right over here.
Let's not get stuck in our worries. We'll make our own way. Won't you come?
Hi, I'm Karen, and I've been hiking around southeastern Arizona a little bit for the last 15 years and a whole lot since 2020. Today, I'm hiking with the Tuesday hikers up towards Carr Peak, which, from the Reef Campground, is right up there. I have a video from a hike about a month ago where I hiked up to Carr Peak from the Arizona Vista campground, but today the hike is going to start from the Old Sawmill Trail, which is just outside of the Reef Campground.
Are you ready? All right, let's get it.
Are we part of this?
Is this Sawmill Spring?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I've hiked right past this, thinking it was up above the trail junction.
We can take a dip when we come back down.
But I can't relate.
And
Yeah, we're on a detail, so this is like a 2-year detail.
oh, okay.
And the same thing for a couple of years, and
Yeah.
then we'll be back to just regular
Yeah,
patrol.
we'll be back in uniform and back on the line. And
At least now I'm feeling better.
That way.
I know I'm here to stay. Won't you come outside where the sunflowers bloom? Breathe in the air. Look up to the moon. I'll meet you outside, away from the crowd. Just you and me together. It will all seem better outside. Just us in the sky. I will go wherever. I'll be yours
Wow. Can you believe this? Yes. Beautiful.
Oh, and a hawk. There's a big old hawk there.
Two of them. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful.
At the sign for the Spur trail up to Carr Peak, I left the other hikers as they headed to the peak, and I bushwhacked west to a nearby peak where I had recently hiked with the Huachuca Hiking Club to see if I could find my sunglasses. When I was up here last time, I was sitting right over here. Here they are. And now I'll head on back and meet everybody at the Spur trail. And then, just after I met back up with the other hikers, a swarm of bees blocked the trail. After trying to wait them out, and then a bit of deliberation, I really wouldn't want to get too far off trail because if you have to run, yeah. We ended up successfully hiking up and around them.
That was it. No donuts.
Smile. Camera. No bee stings.
No bee stings, yeah.
That's the important thing.